Hi friends, it's Erica James Travel bringing you another travel tip. Today we're going to be talking about notifying your bank and your credit card companies when you are going to travel. I don't know about you all, but my bank and my credit card company has like a travel form that you can complete prior to departure, and you should do this. My bank has extra security on there, and one time I was in Mexico, did fill out my travel form, tried to use the ATM, and my card was denied. So I've never made that mistake again. Now, prior to departure for my bank, I get online, I fill out the travel form. For my credit cards, there's an automated line you can punch in your information. It just wants you to know what countries you'll be visiting, the date that you're traveling, and the date that you are returning. This helps your bank and your credit card companies know that this is when you're going to be using your card. It's no one else using it. It's not fraud. So, to protect your credit cards and also to have them accessible when you're in another country, make sure you check with your bank and your credit card companies and always fill out that travel form, letting them know that you will be traveling. All right, friends, thank you. That's my travel tip for today. As always, I hope that helps.